is Thursday. That means we are back in Nutrition Educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. If you're looking for a sweet dish to try this spring, then Lynn has the recipe for you, and it involves chia seeds. Let's check it out.
Let's talk about chia seeds. Yes, these are the seeds that people spread on terracotta forms to grow into pets, but they're also the edible seeds of the Salvia hispanica plant, which is a desert plant that grows in parts of Mexico. It grows all over Mexico and other parts of South and Central America, and it's a member of the mint family. So chia seeds are loaded in them. They have a very similar nutritional profile to flax seeds, but flax seeds, you need to grind them to eat them. They aren't quite as shelf stable, and these chia seeds actually have more antioxidants and more omega-3s than flax, and they're more easily digestible, which makes them great. And then what are we gonna do with them? We could sprinkle these in our cereal, sprinkle them in yogurt, add them to our granola. I've even seen people hydrate them and use them as an egg substitute. What we're going to do today is hydrate them and use as a pudding to make into what we call a smoothie bowl, or you might think of as a smoothie bowl. And so our basic ratio, we need a half a cup of some form of milk. You can use regular milk, you can use a nut milk. I'm using a hemp milk today. It's already measured. I'm just going to pour that into our bowl. And then we need 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And that's the basic ratio. You can make a large batch of this. You can make it smaller if you only wanted a 1/4 cup. And then I'm just going to use a fork to kind of whisk them in. And it's going to take a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, till they really start to hydrate. What happens is the fibers are very gelatinous in chia seeds, and they really absorb all of that liquid. So I'm going to show you something pretty cool. A half a cup, and I can turn it upside down, and it's staying in my bowl. They've really absorbed all of that, and I have this great thick pudding. You can add, if you'd like, a little bit of sweetener, like maybe a teaspoon of honey to it. I did add some to this when I made it before. And then all you're going to do is top it with your favorite toppings. So I've got here some blackberries I think I'm going to put on. I've got some beautiful strawberries. I'll pop on there too. Let's see, I've got some almonds that I think I'm going to pile on there. And I've got shredded coconut. Now this is unsweetened. Of course you can buy whatever kind you like for your bowl, but I like being able to control the sugar that I add into my food. Any of the sugar, the fat, the salt. The more we cook at home, the more we control those ingredients, and the better off our health is in the long run typically. And then I'm going to put just a little bit of granola on top. Simple as that. We have this lovely little pudding bowl to eat. Be a great breakfast, a great snack, a really filling lunch. You could throw some banana on there and really give yourself something filling. And that's pretty much it. It's delicious. So I hope you try this one out. And if you do, please let us know how it turned out and what you think.
Now, as a reminder, we do have all of Lynn's tips and tricks on our website. To find them, just log on to 47abc.com and click on the Good Morning Delmarva page.